2026. Dreams rise high, feel the power mix. To the world we say peace, success and cheer. A prosperous, powerful, winning year. And from Dubai to the world, let success flow. Business, property, growth, let your future glow. With vision, action and moves that shine, JMC leads the way, it's your time.
It's a happy new year, 2026. Success, prosperity, confidence mix. Try to every dreamer, every nation too. Janaka Management Consulting, wishing success to you.
Stay strong, stay inspired, make dreams come true. Follow, connect and rise with JMC too.
Hans, happy new year, 2022.
Let's win it together.